there is a serious matrimonial dispute in between me and my wife. As a result, my wife has already approached against me under the Domestic Violence Act.
I have performed.
Yes.
Give me the dates.
My lord, dates they have.
Milord, the respondent number wife is respondent number 9 is my wife, and Milord, the respondent number 8 is the father-in-law. He is the upopradhan of a concerned panchayat. Now, Milord, my case is that there is a serious matrimonial dispute in between me and my wife. As a result, my wife has already approached against me under the Domestic Violence Act. Now, I have showed some document to the police stating that while my wife was admitted to hospital for the birth of the child, and while my lord she was before the for the during her pregnancy before the pathological center, her father, my lord, showed her as a my lord employee under the 100 days work, and my lord raised bill, and my lord obtained payment, although she was at that time staying with me, that is near about 100 kilometers away. Now, police came with a report. Kindly, my lord, take up the report. What the police says. My lord, third paragraph, my lord, I am reading for your lordship. Third paragraph from the bottom, third paragraph, third line. The executive assistant stated that he will conduct an inquiry regarding her work status during the alleged period and provide a response accordingly. Based on his finding, appropriate legal action will be taken by us as per law. So the police has simply shifted the responsibility upon the shoulder of the executive officer of the panchayat. No finding has been given. So, my lord, we are helpless to file any affidavit in reply. My lord, kindly state them, my lord, to conduct an inquiry and submit a report in the form of an affidavit so that we can file our reply.
What is your allegation and what is the relief that you have claimed in the writ petition?
The only thing I allegation is while my wife was admitted in hospital at a distant place which is near about 100 kilometers away for the purpose of giving birth to her child, my lord, she was shown as a worker under the 100 days, my lord, 100 দিনের কাজ, that is 100 days work in a scheme under the panchayat. And while she was, my lord, appearing before the pathological centers, my lord, for the purpose of giving the test samples, she was again shown that she is working under the 100
No,
days
what is
working.
the relief? What is the relief that you
My
are
lord, the
seeking?
police has to register a FIR against the father-in-law who is the concerned upapradhan of the panchayat. Kindly see, and my lord, this is a case of fraud, specific case of fraud under section 420, my lord. They have to,
Why
my
are
lord.
you before the writ court? Why not before the learned court below?
My lord, kindly police, my lord, the panchayat, the records are lying with the panchayat. He is the upapradhan of the concerned panchayat. That is why, my lord, police is giving him shelter. They are not coming with the proper report.
So you want documents to be created,
No, not
relying
created.
on
The
which
documents
you
I
will
have
proceed
already
with your case of
annexed to
fraud.
the writ petition. My lord, I have already annexed to the writ petition. They are not giving reply. Kindly appreciate, it's a specific case, my lord, where the upapradhan of the panchayat, although he is my father-in-law, I am admitting, my lord, the matrimonial relationship is very much sour, but he has abused his office. He has abused his office. My lord, some administrative steps has to be taken against him. It's a case, my lord, which has come up before your lordship, my lord, for abusing the office of the upapradhan of a concerned panchayat. He has raised fake bills, my lord.
I am the wife of the petitioner and
Who is for the Pradhan? Are you representing your father also?
father also.
Yes. The allegation is that you have
My lord, so far my
produced
instruction
documents.
goes. There is a matrimonial dispute.
Let the dispute remain. Tell me, what about the 100 days work?
I have performed. I have performed.
Yes.
Give me the dates.
My lord, dates they have. Dates they actually, my lord, I have performed my duties. And
Yes, give me the dates where you perform duties.
The daily wages sheet is lying with the office of the panchayat.
Yes.
You are the
No, madam.
Upapradhan.
No, madam. Upapradhan cannot take that from the office. It can be collected.
Give me the dates. And when did you give birth to your child?
Child is it about, my lord?
28th of November 2019, the child was born.
Born.
Right? And when was the work performed?
Work was performed in the... My lord, give me 1 day accommodation, I can take proper instruction.
Any instruction? Yes. But did she perform any work during the period when she was... Please. That is different. That is different. The parties will proceed.
No, my lord, for the reason of family, that is the genesis of this case, my lord. I have been deserted. I am staying at my paternal house. I have lost a complaint.
You are the father and you are the daughter over here.
My lord.
Right?
My lord. 9 is the daughter. The daughter was deserted by the petitioner. And still, since long, she is residing at her father's house.
In case number 94, Lordship, the complaint has been lodged by the advocate, Lordship, not the petitioner, Lordship.
The petitioner alleges fraud against his father-in-law, the respondent number 8, who is the
My lord, one indulgence may I seek?
Pradhan
My lord,
of the Banaghat 1 Gram Panchayat.
one indulgence may I seek? So for the complaint, impugned complaint is concerned, that was lodged by one advocate. Petitioner himself...
No, she made the submission. Why are you repeating?
No, my lord, actually...
I have heard it. The specific allegation is that the respondent number 8, who is the father of the respondent number 9, has managed to